Anyway, this is the last day. This is the last day that I'm allowed to be sick, and then we'll be better, and it'll be fine. Because it's a big week coming up. Giant, huge week. So, thank you for spending this time with me while I'm staring at my lighting configuration.
Look, I've got the thingy on there just in case GoPro is needed ever. And GoPro is needed today, I guess. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find some waterfalls. Hey, welcome to week 4. We are on an expedition to places that we should have already been before and haven't. This place is wholly overwhelming. I was told that it was like a craft place. It's like a Home Depot and some. Daddy is coming. We're gonna go have a look upstairs. Less hardware, more software. I'm not entirely sure what this says, except for me it means camping will make you cry, because why would you want to go and sleep in the outdoors? That's what that sign means.
Sleepy buddy. Sleepy bud.
Oh my god, look at all the miniatures. Little things. Look, you can make your own little... I need to do this hobby. I need to buy miniature things. Officially gone to all the restaurants on the street that when we moved here a year ago, we're like, oh, so scary. What kind of food do they have there? How are we gonna... But so we've been to them all. That's good. No, I think 0 people
Okay,
want
look normal.
$5. Look normal?
That's not.
Oh. I don't know how to look normal.
Look out that way. Is that how you ride your bike?
Made it. I'm just waiting for everybody else to get here in the car. In the dark parts, in the shadows, it's legit cold. It is not as warm as it was. But I'm here, and we are going to, now we kind of know where the waterfalls are, so I think we might actually find it this time, which is exciting. So, waterfalls, take 2. Wow, it's nice and cozy in here. Hi. This is, oh, look at the sweet little houses. Aww. I like these. Might need this tiny little house. This is where we quit last time.
Yep.
Because we'd already been on a hike that did not go the right direction. And so we did not have, all of us, the fuel that it took to get. It is muddy. Remember when I said it was all balmy down there when I got on my bicycle? That was premature. I don't know. We're not that much further up, right? Well, like a couple hundred feet up. Obviously rode my bike here, so it couldn't have been that many hundreds of feet up. It's like 30 degrees colder. So far. I think that's the end of the line. Frozen waterfall.
to be someone else. All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity.
Fine-ish. It's as good as it's gonna get. I have been the house over has been sick as dogs for the last sparkling water. Would you like some? Sick as dogs for there's no correlation, but for the entire new administration we have all been so sick. I know there's a lot going on in the world. 1,000% aware that there's a lot going on. I can't participate in conversations about it. So I am being part of content creators that you can go to when you need a break. So break space, because that's important too. It's important to have a space for escape. So that's how I'm participating. I'm providing a space for escape. Okay, so yesterday was eyelash day. Can you see? Extreme close up before 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning. How's that? It was a new eyelash day or eyelash repair day yesterday. And I was listening, speaking of content creators for escapes, I was listening to The Dollop. Do you listen to this? It's a name that means nothing about what the podcast is. And they talk about an event in history and kind of riff on it, and it's funny. I was listening to the one where they talk about this lady named Dolly and how she kept her boy toy in the attic for years and years and years. And I was like, I could quite easily live up here. It would be just fine. Although the details of that case. Anyway, The Dollop, listen to it. I also recommend the one that they did on Thomas Kincaid, Painter of Light. Super interesting. Other things that we have to figure out include the fact that I signed up for a half Ironman. So, I signed up for a half Ironman, which means that I will have to train for it and do it. It's in August, and it's in Indonesia. And that seems a little bit rash, doesn't it? So we'll have to get cracking on that business. It's in Bintan, Indonesia, which is apparently a 45-minute ferry ride from Singapore. So August, here we go. Next trip, I guess. That means I gotta figure out how to get my bicycle there and spend like a 2-mile swim-ish, somewhere in there, which all of a sudden seems really far. Can't be that far. Not 2 miles. That's a whole one. Like a mile and some. We'll figure that out. 56-mile bike, 13-mile run. It was supposed to be in a very beautiful place, so we'll have that to look forward to. Scenery while I am cursing this day, yesterday, January the 28th, when I signed up for it. Sure it'll be fine. You know what else is going to be fine? You liking and subscribing below. Subscribe here maybe, like here maybe. I don't know. I make videos on Saturdays-ish. I post them on the weekend. How about that? New videos every weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe.